Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. In this video, I am making a version of Cokertme Kebab made with lamb liver. First of all, I start by peeling the large French fries. Cut the potatoes thinly. Normally, the French fries you buy are 9 by 9 in size. The thinness of the potatoes here is 4 times 4. You can chop it more easily using a long knife. Add diced potatoes to cold water. I add some grape vinegar. The food I will cook will be enough for 15 to 20 people. Now chop the onions long, it won't be too thin. I'm picking some garlic. I prepared big garlic grains without cutting the sprouts. Remove seeds from red peppers. This way you can remove it by pressing it with your thumb. It is of course possible to extract pepper seeds using such a tool. I also removed the seeds from the green peppers. I only cut off the stems of the hot peppers a little and will use them whole. Chop the green chilies and red chilies long. Be careful that it will not be too thin when chopping again. Now it's time to prepare the lamb livers and kidneys. It is necessary to remove the hard parts of the lungs and the membrane on them. I used lamb liver. Of course you can make this recipe with beef liver. A small lamb liver is just enough for 3 people. Remove the fatty part outside the kidneys. Cut the kidney in the middle and remove the outer membrane, after cleaning everything. You can wait for the blood to drain for 2 hours. Since lamb liver is soft, there is no need to wash or soak in milk. Chop the kidneys long. In the liver, chop long and thin, just like you chop the potato. For 1 kilogram of liver, I add 7 grams of salt, red powdered pepper, black pepper, cumin, oregano. Mix it well so that it completely absorbs the spices and salt. The liver's cat came. Let's not send this cute animal empty. He doesn't eat liver, so cats liked liver? I guess he doesn't want it uncooked. I add the tomatoes I will use to make tomato sauce to a pot to boil. This amount is too much for now. I will just wait as boiled tomatoes. I will prepare the sauce just before serving. Now let's start cooking the liver Cokertme Kebab. I use a wide pan without a bottom. Add cooking oil or sunflower oil. After washing the potatoes, add them to the strainer so that they are dehydrated. Wait for the oil to heat up and fry the potatoes. Add flour to liver. You need to add a little bit of flour. I use a wide hole griddle and do a little sifting, bouncing the floured livers. Add the livers piece by piece into the heated oil. I can say that I added the livers by turning on the 1-minute timer and fry them for 45 seconds. When 1 minute is up, it is necessary to immediately remove the fried livers from the oil. That's the trick. The oil will be hot. Put the livers in the oil. Mix them and listen for the crackling 50 seconds later. Take it out immediately. Add the onions to the heated oil. In the same way and stir a few times. Add the red and green peppers to the heated oil in the same way and stir a few times. You don't need to strain the oil too much while removing the ingredients. We will add extra oil from this oil anyway. Fry the garlic. Fry the chilies. I add oil so that the liver does not dry out. Salt some vegetables. Add spices, thyme, black pepper, cumin, blah blah, and mix.
Perfect.
Prepare sauce. You can use some sweet tomato juice or ketchup, soy sauce, salt and sugar. Boiled tomatoes. Mix and the sauce is ready. Now let's show you how you can serve liver Cokertme Kebab, of course. Not without doing the nonsense YouTube wants us to do. Add the potatoes to the bottom, add lots of liver. Aside yogurt. Tomato sauce on, green chili pepper, red pepper. Add some tomato sauce on it and spice it up with chopped parsley. I taste it if you excuse me, and yes, it was amazing. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. You can leave a tip. Support me. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.